One of the things I really miss about living in Florida since I've been out here in Texas is going to Daytona. I used to go to Daytona all the time. So this year I got to treat myself to the Motogp in Austin at COTA track. We're starting off with the warm-ups, and then they had the bagger class and the GP3 and GP2s ran before the GP. All of my racing that I did was done in motocross. It was something to do with dirt, but what I see in this track here is that almost every turn on here is a decreasing radius turn, and those are hard to do on a road racetrack. Classes set up in the MotoGP or MotoGP3 and MotoGP2. They're training classes usually for the MotoGP. The difference in the classes are the size of the engine and the weight of the bikes. So I believe this is the MotoGP3 class. I turned the recorded sound down so that you could, I wanted you to hear what it actually sounded like when we were at the track. So this is the MotoGP2 class. This helicopter you see here followed the lead bikes all the way around the track. So anytime you wanted to know where the lead bikes were, you could see that helicopter, and that's about where they were. All right, this is the intermission between the smaller classes. They had a helicopter flyby, and it was pretty damn impressive.
That's cool.
Listen carefully and you'll hear Elaine explain that Chuck, her nephew, flies an Apache.
How'd you camp there?
I am kidding about that. That's what my nephew was like.
And this will be the Motogp taking off.